Make money with AI. Welcome to our channel where we examine how to use artificial intelligence, AI, to profit from the financial markets and delve into the fascinating area of AI investment. We give you a thorough overview of AI investing in this in-depth video, arming you with the information and resources you need to realize the full potential of this groundbreaking technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is more than just robotics and high-tech equipment. It has the potential to completely alter how we make financial investments. Imagine a digital assistant with the ability to quickly analyze enormous volumes of data, search the market for the finest investment possibilities, and make thoughtful decisions. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make money with AI investing? Well, fret not, my friends. I'm here to guide you through the basics. The first step is choosing the right AI investment platform. When selecting a platform, consider factors such as accuracy, transparency, and user-friendliness. Look for platforms that offer a comprehensible report of their AI's features and track record. Industry after industry has been transformed by artificial intelligence, and investment is no exception. Artificial intelligence, AI, driven investing involves the use of cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze massive volumes of data, spot trends, and make wise investment decisions. AI has the potential to improve portfolio performance and produce enticing returns, because to its quick information processing capabilities and ability to unearth insights that may elude human investors. In this video, we debunk the myths surrounding AI investing and outline its main elements. We delve into the various categories of AI models used in investing, including deep learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. You'll develop a thorough knowledge of how these technologies operate and how they are used in financial markets. We describe how AI algorithms can examine large datasets, spot patterns, and produce useful insights to help you make financial decisions. Learn about the many benefits of including AI in your financial strategy. We look at how real-time AI analysis of massive volumes of data can help you keep on top of industry trends and make wise judgments. By utilizing powerful AI algorithms that reduce human biases and emotions, you can get a competitive edge and make financial decisions that are more objective and logical. Additionally, we go over how AI can help to enhance asset allocation, risk management, and portfolio diversification to maximize returns while lowering downside risk. You may be able to generate greater risk-adjusted returns and long-term financial growth by utilizing AI's skills. We offer practical advice to get you started in AI investing if you're a beginner. We stress how crucial it is to establish your investing objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon in order to spot any flaws and adjust the approach as appropriate. Investing in AI has enormous potential, but it's important to understand the difficulties and dangers that come with it. We discuss frequent issues such as model overfitting, data biases, and the significance of continuing evaluation and improvement of AI models. Understanding these difficulties enables you to construct a strong framework for risk management that will help you avoid potential pitfalls and guarantee the long-term success of your AI investing strategy. We offer details on methods for performing sensitivity analysis, assessing model performance, and putting dynamic risk management policies into practice. We publish actual case studies and success stories to motivate and illustrate the value of AI investing. These instances demonstrate how, in various market scenarios, AI-driven strategies have outperformed conventional ones. You'll learn useful information about how AI has been applied to find profitable trading opportunities, streamline portfolios, and produce reliable returns. These success stories offer compelling illustrations of how AI can transform investing and advance your financial well-being. Accepting the power of investing in artificial intelligence can help you start your journey to making money with AI. In upcoming episodes, we'll go deeper into sophisticated AI investing methods, examine particular AI models and algorithms, and talk about the most recent trends and advancements in the industry. To stay up to date, subscribe to our channel. Prepare to unleash AI's potential and take your investment strategy to new heights. Keep in mind that the field of investing in AI is continuously growing, so staying educated is essential. Together, let's harness AI's potential and start a successful investing path that is propelled by the technology. Join us to learn how AI can transform your ability to profit from the financial markets.